Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips S5305 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair this speaker with your Android phone. And first we have to power up our speaker with this button over there. Now we have to click on our Bluetooth button over there. Now we are in pairing mode, so we have to scroll down to our control panel, then hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click pairing device and then click on our speaker. Now we have to click pair. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.